the windshield wipers would not shut off. Well, we have not fixed that. We got all the blinkers working, so that's good. So, yeah, you check out, the old blinker up there. It goes beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, boop. So we got that. So now we got to try to get the windshield wipers actually shut off. I think I've narrowed it down to, even though I had a brand new switch, that switch is bad. I hope, for the love of God, I hope that's what's wrong. Because I would lose my sanity if it's not. All of my very high-tech Googling has told me it's one of two things. One, that switch in there is bad. Or two, this wiper motor is bad. Now, that wiper motor is new. It's not a remanufactured for the layman. I just learned that term like a month ago. So if that's new, then it's got to be the switch. Because I was messing with the switch and I could get it like halfway between low and high and it would shut off. And when I would go to shut it off, like it would send the wipers back down, but then it would basically reverse them. It would be going boop, boop, beep, boop. And then I hit the switch and go boop, whoop, beep, 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 beep. So, for all things holy, please let this be the thing. Okay. We're going to turn the switch. Frankie. Okay. Frankie does not like windshield wipers. Frankie likes them as much as I do. So that's just where they're going to stop? I got nothing. Okay, update. The windshield wipers are off. They're hooked up. Like, the switch is hooked up. All the wiring to it is hooked up. Motor's still hooked up. I didn't change anything. Now they won't turn on at all. So we're moving on to other projects. And I think gonna need one of these just to kind of take the edge off. Well, so we can get through the rest of this today before I fucking kill someone. It's good. It's good. So this is the moment of truth. Turn the key, see what happens. Okay, that might just be because my battery's dead now. Son of a bitch. Just a mental reminder to Jason. In the future, make sure you unplug the battery at night when you leave the doors open, you incredible fucking dumbass. Because the fucking dome lights stay on because you fucking wired those in, you fucking dumb son of a bitch. Frankie! Show you what I'm talking about. See, there's these nice little courtesy lights in here. Yeah, there they are. And when your doors are open, they're on. It'll run your battery down. Snapchat update. Working on the old truck tonight. I think I have determined we have an issue with the old turn signal switch. It was pretty dirty. I don't know, pretty gunked up. I don't know. This might be the issue. This might be why the left turn only works. Because when I was in there playing around, it would start clicking. Every other piece of wire on this vehicle is new. So what's another $20 if I can find one? And those not a mechanic, not an electrical engineer, but a guy that can rig some shit up and make it work. Woo! Holy shit. I figured it out. Okay. So, left blinker. Hold on. There we go. Left blinker, we got her on. side marker light blinking. That's going to be the park light blinking. What was happening was my park light was wired into the side marker light on both sides. That caused everything to be screwed up. Yeah, that guy's blinking. So, only thing I can get is basically making, let's go to the other blinker. It's basically making everything continuous circuit. I don't know, I'm not an electrician. But all I know is it must have been putting power to frickin' everything, so then the blinkers, nothing would work. Now, right blinker, left blinker, both work. We just have to permanently wire those. We did what I like to call some GT there, Glen technology. Glen technology would be how I watched my grandpa Danley wire things through the years. And yeah, we just kind of got some bare wires and some stuff put together here. But nonetheless, this thing has lights and blinkers. That means a little bit of heat shrink. Get those things wrapped up. The seat goes in, and this old bitch ready to drive. I've punted on the windshield wiper. I said, we're done. So we're just cleaning up wiring. We got that all looking pretty there now. We got the blinkers wired in now to, probably can shut that off. We get the blinkers wired into the digital dash. That's plugged in. Basically now I'm going to take the dash bezel, put that on, and then start, cleaning that up. Getting closer. We're getting there. All right. So what's going on with the truck? Well, we've made progress. The seat is in, dash is on, gauges are all put together, all that happy hooey. Now it's just kind of a matter of now I'm putting the shocks on right now. I've decided I'm going to take my time, and tonight I'm just going to keep putting shit together. Frankie and I are out for a walk right now. I had to get some bolts, and Ace is closed, so I guess 5/8 bolts from a 5/8 bolt from. I got a fucking bolt from work. That's what I'm trying to say. Good God, I think I'm having a stroke. So yeah, we're gonna take our time and just kind of put everything together tonight, in anticipation of driving out of the garage tomorrow. Frankie's over there somewhere. Frankie, come on, get over here. Oh, those tires look way too nice for this truck. Closer. I tell you what, boys, The old stance doesn't look, that's a Silverado, Chevy, square body top. The old stance don't look too bad with the tires on it. All right, we're not far. Oh, shit. Yeah. Let's check the brakes. They actually work. Steers a little bit. Well, sure be nice to have windshield wipers today. Ha ha! What's up? What's up? Yeah, I brought a fire extinguisher just in case. Here we go. That's right. Put that premium in. Yeah, those windshield wipers running constantly would, they'd come in handy right now. Maiden voyage. Did it run and drive? Yes. Did it come to work and absolutely die? Also, yes. We have a charging issue. So we're going to charge the battery, drive it back home. Actually, not going to drive it back home. We're going to take it straight to Ted's Tesoro, an actual mechanic, because let's not forget, not a mechanic, and have them dive into it. So we're going to let her charge for a bit, and in the meantime, I'm going to attach the rear shock while we're letting that happen. This out. Blinkers, got those. Don't got windshield wipers. Now what do we do, you say? Bring it to the service station and they can replace every fluid in this that is 17 years old. There you go. That's it for now. Snapchat, not a mechanic. Chevy K10 Dad's truck update. Last couple weeks, you haven't seen much because I took it to a real mechanic to get it running smoother. And here we basically replaced the carb and distributor, tuned her up, spark plugs, that entire thing, and ladies and gentlemen, she's a work truck now. Because it's at work. And I'd get the old, what do I want to say? The old power washer out. But time to go home. Don't she sound pretty? Yeah, I need a windshield, I know. It's much better. And just like that, it was baby's first day at school. Yep. All right, we made it one time. Time to take it back home. Holy crap, you made it this far? Good work, that's impressive. Everybody that made it this far, which probably includes my dad. Hi, Dad. Probably the only person that actually watches all the way through. Well, it was actually kind of just intended mostly for you. Showing that we could get old Black Beauty here running again. And as many of you have seen, it has ran and driven. Anyway, it's moving. This video right here is about a month, 2 months after getting her running initially the first time. So, hey, it's still going. It's parked in here. We're doing a little work on the gaskets and stuff, but overall, I just mostly wanted to have some sort of proper send-off here for old Black Beauty in these first 5 videos we put together. There will be more as I redo some other things on this. As you know, we've got some body work that has to happen. We've got a whole bunch of crap that has to happen. So with that said, thanks for watching the first 5 parts of Not a Mechanic, Restoring Dad's Chevy K10 Scottsdale truck. Hopefully there's more parts and hopefully it keeps running. Thanks, everyone.